home for a blizzard. You need to get a snowblower or a shovel to clear snow. You should get your gutters cleared of snow. You should put salt on your driveway. Avoid using power on phones or iPads, so if you get trapped, you can call emergency services. Keep doors and windows closed. P.S. Stay inside. What supplies do you need in a blizzard? You need to get water and food, get a flashlight and battery. You need warm clothing, a first aid kit, get warm blankets and pillows. You need power to cook or get propane to grill. Pet supplies, and don't forget your pets outside. Medication, make sure you have extra of your prescriptions, hygiene items, windshield scrapers, cell phones, and portable chargers.
Say, friend, got any more of that good sarsaparilla?
How do you know if you should stay or go? You should stay inside. Conditions may make it hard to see if you were to leave. Listen to the radio or TV to see what is happening in your area. Stay inside because blizzards are extremely dangerous because people can lose their way in the blinding snow. The strong wind can create a cold wind chill, making the temperature feel even colder. The cold temperatures and wind can bring on frostbite or hypothermia. Where and when do blizzards most often occur? In the United States, blizzards are common in the upper Midwest and Great Plains, but occur in most areas of the country except for the Gulf Coast and the California coast. Blizzards can occur all over the world, even in tropics where it is cold on high altitude mountaintops. In high and mid latitudes, blizzards are some of the most widespread and hazardous of weather events. They are most common in Russia and in Central or Northeastern Asia, Northern Europe, Canada, the Northern United States, and Antarctica. Most blizzards, as you would expect, happen from December to February. That's meteorological. I can't say it. Yeah, I can't say that. Winter and peak snow season, but when they happen outside, that time frame is actually more common to get them in spring than in fall.
What conditions lead to a blizzard? A blizzard is a long-lasting snowstorm with very strong winds and intense snowfall. You need three things to have a blizzard: cold air at the surface, lots of moisture, and light. Warm air must rise over cold air. After the blizzard, dress appropriately for the weather. Clear the sidewalks. Stay off the roads if possible. Check for a buildup of ice or snow on your roof. If anything has been broken, take pictures and send to your insurance company for repairs.